Hello students, since we have discussed in the last class that nitrogen, it is very essential, fourth essential elements for the living organism, right? So how this nitrogen fixation it is taking place into the environment or into the atmosphere, right? So that we are going to discuss the what is the type of fixation. That's what today's class it is, nitrogen fixation. When we talk about the nitrogen fixation, the atmospheric dinitrogen, that is N2, right? Dinitrogen is converted into the nitrogenous compounds. So what are the nitrogenous compounds? Say for example nitrate, ammonia and amino acids, right? So this will be a nitrogenous compound that can be useful for the living organisms, say for example plants. Okay, so what is the type of fixation it is possible here? The first type of fixation, physiochemical nitrogen fixation. Okay, that is the one type. In that, under this we can see about the natural abiological fixation, right? That's what biological it is not there, abiological, without living organism, how the nitrogen it is getting fixed. So here you can see that electric discharge, ozonization, like that. So this nitrogen in the presence of oxygen, it will become nitrogen oxide 2NO, right? So this nitrogen oxide again in the presence of two molecules of oxygen, again 2NO during the electric discharge or ozonization, it becomes nitrogen peroxide, right? 2NO, right? Like that. Again this nitrogen peroxide undergo for the three hydrogen and oxygen molecule in same the ozonization, it becomes nitrogen pentoxide, right? So like that fixation, the conversion it will go on without the biological things or living organisms, naturally by the ozonization, electric discharge and such kinds of thing which is keep on happening into the environment, and this nitrogen conversion it will be taking place, which can be useful or fixed into the atmospheric nitrogen. Coming to the second point, industrial nitrogen fixation, right? That and this is also under physiochemical nitrogen fixation. So industrial means industry, ammonia produced industrially, like this ammonia it will be converted into fertilizers or say for example urea, right? So that is also one kind of fixation which is not by the living organism. Coming to the second major point, that is biological nitrogen fixation. Here we can expect the living organisms that they are doing the fixation work. Okay, so under this the first point, free living nitrogen fixing bacteria. Free living, they are not the part of symbiosis. Okay, so say for example in aerobic, suppose in aerobic what we can see the example, azotobacter, that is also nitrogen fixing bacteria. Then anaerobic means the clostridium, that is the example of the bacteria. And coming to the chemotropic, when we talk about the chemotropic, the Theobacillus is the example of free living nitrogen fixing bacteria, that you should remember. Example, remaining thing if you have understood you can write it down. Okay, coming to the second point under biological fixation, free living nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria, right? Nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria example are Anabaena, Nostoc, then the Cylindrospermum. So these three are example which you can remember. Okay, the third point, symbiotic nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria. Only here free living has been converted as a symbiotic. So in this example you can write down Ozola, Anabaena and Nostoc. The Anabaena and Nostoc it is repeating here, so it will be easy to remember. The fourth point, symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria, not cyanobacteria. In these 2 points, cyanobacteria we have mentioned here, symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria. Examples are Rhizobium, Leguminosarum, which will be there into the Fabaceae family plants. Okay, so this is the Rhizobium, very famous bacteria actually. The Fabaceae family plants root, they will be having root nodes, they will be having this particular bacteria for the nitrogen fixation. Then other examples you can mention here, the Frankia, then Klebsiella, then the Aerorhizobium, right? So these are the etc. These are the different symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria which you can write down under biological nitrogen fixation, right? So there are two types, basically two modes of fixation it is going on into the environment, that we need to understand, because the atmospheric nitrogen cannot be useful for the plants, and how the plants are getting this particular nitrogen in the different form like ammonia, nitrate and all those things, that's the important. Thank you, students.